So let me explain what an affidavit of heirship is. I think someone I was talking to said they did it. Yeah, when we did the affidavit of heirship. An affidavit of heirship is where people come in and swear to the facts of that person's life and then who the heirs are. So, it's a sworn statement. And so we use affidavit of heirships all the time. I do my darndest to use affidavit of heirships. One, because it's the cheapest way for somebody to get it resolved, and it's the quickest way. And I'm all about let's use the cheapest and quickest way. Sometimes that doesn't always work, but if we can, that is always where I go first. Now, an affidavit of heirship for a title company, in order to sell real estate, has to be signed by 2 disinterested people. So if you ever have a lawyer say, that's not what the law says, well, yes, they're right. The law says 1 person, but title companies require 2. And so, always go to a title company or an attorney with a title company that knows real estate when you're doing these things, because we know what the underwriters require, and that's why I say it expedites the process, and that's why I like doing it, because I can tell people, that's, we all have to have our sales spiel, and that's kind of what I try to sell is, hey, when you have these situations, I know we're going to do these documents in the way that are going to be appealing to the title company so that we can get it through the process quicker. An example of that is the affidavit of heirship. I had to fix a number of affidavit of heirships over the years that were valid, but they didn't qualify for the title company. But it's basically a sworn statement it's a sworn statement where people are swearing who the heirs are, and then we file that of record, and then we work with those heirs. So understand, under an affidavit of heirship, no one's been appointed by the court to be the person in charge. Does that make sense? We're just making an affidavit saying this person died, they had these kids, and these kids inherited this property. So now, who are you working with?
These kids.
These kids.